still working on this car, of course. And we're about to fix this rear spoiler because it's a gap underneath it a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and use a air dryer. Got my extension out there on the side right there. We're gonna take this car to get a muffler and resonator delete. So here's the point. Well, here's what we're gonna do. Since you guys wanted to know what only the muffler delete sounds like, we're gonna do that first, and then we'll do a resonator delete with it afterwards. So stay tuned and keep watching. Meanwhile, we do that, work on the rear spoiler. We're gonna go ahead and he got these awesome quad tips. So we're gonna paint them ourselves, because if you get them painted black like glossy like this, you're gonna spend 100 extra or 120. So might as well do it yourself. So I'll put the link in the description for these quad tips like that. And also I'm using this for heat resistance. It's got like the rust, it won't rust or like watermarks or anything like that. So this is perfect for this. Nice gloss to it. This is only like 2 coats of it on top. So we're gonna go ahead and work on it a little bit more. And I'll put the link in the description for this. And stay tuned, keep watching. We're gonna go ahead and head to the shop afterwards. Alright guys, check this out. That side is done. That side isn't. Of course I flipped them up. See, that side is done. So now I'm gonna do this side right now. But just wanted to give you guys a quick, it dries quick too, so, and it's smooth. The texture is really smooth. It's really nice. It's glossy. And that's how it looks right now. So flushed it. It's good. I'm about to go and do his resonator muffler delete right now and install his quad tips. Still got work to do on the car though. That's the front. Coming in style. You're clear, bro. Get out. Leave my driveway. Yeah, just keep going straight. There's the one, not this one. We're almost here, guys. Finally. Nice. Yeah, we can slow down. We're gonna try ask that guy right there if he's muffler, and then we'll ask another person to do it. Try to negotiate for him. So that's the stock mufflers right here. I'm gonna cut her off. That's the resonator in the middle. That's gonna come off. But we'll go ahead and make a muffler delete only, then we'll see how it sounds since you guys are requesting for that a lot. And then we'll go ahead with the resonator afterwards. Stay tuned. Finally got this one off. This thing is heavy, guys. Look how dirty it is. We got the tip off. There's only like one screw right there. The bolt on top. There's another screw on the left side right there. Right there. Right here. And yeah, this thing is heavy. This is like 10 pounds. 10 pounds right there. I'm about to put some quad tips right there. Yo, bring me the quad tips, bro. I might make this a thumbnail. Yeah, put him there, see how it looks. Nah, bro, it's not straight, bro. This right there, hold it like that. That's perfect. Hold on. Oh, that's fine, I got it. You got Ken right here chilling on the sun. It's cold out. Sleeping. Nice. Yeah, stay asleep. We're gonna go work on the car. Masim right there, guys. Make sure to ask for him. Masim, right? Where's my camera? That's Masim right there. Ask for him. He'll get you with a really good price. That's by City Field, Queens, New York. If you guys trying to get muffler or resonator delete, or either or quad tips. That's really nice. It's coming out really good. It's perfect. It's gonna adjust a little bit here and there, but it's already looking good. When I was a kid, I used to look at this so much, but then someone told me don't stare at this light, it makes you blind. I don't know, like, I'm looking at it directly, but in the camera you guys can see it. But yeah, definitely not in person though. I'm not staring at it. But it's nice though, satisfying. Nice. Woo! That was good. Alright guys, so that's how it looks right now. I know the front we didn't paint it yet, we will. We didn't spray it yet, so that's the bottom. Really good job guys, I'm not gonna lie, it melts right into it, so it's good. Welding is really great, welding job is done perfectly. Yeah, this is nice. We got how many hangers installed? 3 of them, 1, 2 here, 1 down there. So it's good, stabilized. I hope it doesn't shake, it shouldn't. But once it's down completely, I'll let you guys hear it. This is only muffler delete right now, okay? So keep watching guys. You guys been wanting this. Oh, here we go. You guys won't hear much because I know how it sounds. Sound you guys will get with muffler. That's it. We'll move on to the resonator next and we'll see how it sounds. That's the resonator piece sheet inside. I'm not right now. But look how tiny that is. That is super tiny. I saw the restriction right there. Now he's working on the bottom. What is it? I can't see it. Oh, it's right there. Alright, once that's done, then I'll let you guys hear the rest.
Alright, here's the resonator muffler delete, the final product with the tips. See how it sounds. Oh yeah.
Alright guys, so it's done. All of it is done. The resonator muffler is done. You guys got the clip. I helped out my friend. He's a subscriber, of course, but met a few subscribers. Yeah. And we're like pretty much friends now. You know, always help each other out on the cars and stuff like that. Whoever needs help. So if you're in New York, Queens, Long Island, or like Nassau, just comment below, guys, if you need help. Or just need like a hookup where you guys can get your work done quicker and easier and for less. And yeah, stay tuned and let's just hear the sound. I'll stay quiet. a slight drone in it, just a slight drone inside because of the resonator, of course. We're gonna keep going straight, so you're good. Getting in the right lane is good. Yeah, so just a slight drone inside, but maybe in a couple days or a week you get used to it. It's like it's never there. And yeah, that's about it. Stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoyed the content, and I definitely go into details because that's what you guys always requested, you know, so I try to make the best videos for you all. So stay tuned, and thanks for supporting the channel, and be safe. Yeah, comment below if anything. All right, later.